You don't look so useful now, Thomas. You look disgraceful.
I am not disgraceful. You did that on purpose. Get me out.
You don't get it, you two. He did that on purpose.
Well, hi there, Thomas.
Why are you here, Toby? To laugh at me?
Well, if I did, that wouldn't have been so neighborly, huh?
Well, no, I guess. Sorry for being rude. I was just used to it because James, Gordon, and Henry laughed at me.
Well, I get that. You do look stupid. Hey, Toby, get back here!
Toby? Oh, well, I got the groups now. Bye-bye, Thomas.
Stupid indeed. It was all Percy's fault. I need to get back at him.